Reverend Lorenzo R. De Leon, to our school principal, Mrs. Ligaya Escalante, to our teacher, Mrs. Sheila P. Pasqua, our dear parents, friends, and to my fellow graduates, visitors, ladies and gentlemen, a blessed day to all of you. In behalf of kindergarten graduating class, school year 2023-2024, I would like to express my thanks to each and every one of you for coming to this very memorable occasion and celebrating with us our moment of ceremony. Today, we would like to give our heartfelt thanks to our parents for sending us here and trusting the United Methodist Church Learning Center. As we spend our time in school, we learn to pray, sing, recite, read, write, and count. Most of all, we learn the proper and good behavior. Next school year, we will be in grade 1. We promise to study harder and to do better for all that we have learned. Today, we would like to give our thanks to our beloved teacher and to our administration. Thank you for providing us a very pleasant surroundings, conducive for learning. Love all, we thank God for the blessing He gave and showered in our 1 year. Stay in kinder. Thank you.